Hello, Hoboken families. Happy Memorial Day weekend. It is Miller, and today I have a really fun and silly activity for you. So this week we have been working on our volume, tones, and rates. Basically, how you say words matters and tells a story, not the words themselves. So what I would like you to do today, since it is Memorial Day weekend, is to find a recipe. You could find this online, or maybe your mother, like my mother, has a really old cookbook. Betty Crocker's cookbook. How interesting. And you can find a recipe in something like that. So we're going to talk about food today because Memorial Day weekend, there's a lot of barbecues and fun things going on like that. So you are going to find a recipe to read to someone in your family in a dramatic way. So dramatic readings, by definition, is an oral interpretation commonly used in readers' theater when a reader reads something in a dramatic tone. So find an audience, practice these volumes, tones, and rates dramatically through reading a recipe. So I'm going to give you an example, and you're probably going to laugh at me because it's hilarious. But I am going to prove to you that it is not the words that matter, but how you say them by making a recipe seem extremely dramatic and interesting. So, because it's Memorial Day weekend, I have chosen the recipe of how to make corn dogs. Woo! So, here is the recipe. 1 pound frankfurters. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons cornmeal, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons shortening, 3/4 cup milk, 1 egg beaten, 1 medium onion. Pat frankfurters dry with paper towels. Heat oil 2 to 3 inches to 365 degrees. Mix flour, cornmeal, baking powder, and salt. Cut in shortening. Stir in remaining ingredients. Dip frankfurters into batter, allowing excess batter to drip into the bowl. Frying, turning once, until brown, about 6 minutes. Drain on paper towels. Insert wooden skewer in end of each frankfurter if desired. And your corn dogs are done. The end. Find a recipe, read it dramatically to someone, have some silly fun, and enjoy your Memorial Day weekend.